Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal yummy. First, choose your oats. Rolled oats cook quickly, while steel-cut oats offer a chewier texture and take about 20 minutes. For a creamier result, use milk or a plant-based alternative instead of water. A 1:2 ratio of oats to liquid is a great starting point for a perfect consistency. Cook over medium heat until absorbed, stirring occasionally. Once your base is ready, it's time to add some sweetness and depth. Natural sweeteners like maple syrup, honey, or agave nectar work wonderfully. Just a tablespoon or two can make a big difference. Don't forget spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or even a tiny bit of cardamom to add a warm, inviting aroma. A dash of vanilla extract also elevates the taste beautifully. Now let's talk about texture. Toppings are key to making oatmeal exciting. Fresh or frozen berries, like blueberries or raspberries, add a lovely tartness. For a satisfying crunch, sprinkle in some chopped almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds. A spoonful of Greek yogurt or your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut butter, provides extra creaminess and a boost of protein, making it more filling. Don't be afraid to get creative with your oatmeal. Think beyond the usual and try combinations like apple pie with grated apple and cinnamon, or carrot cake with shredded carrots and cream cheese. For something different, explore savory oatmeal with a fried egg, avocado, and a dash of hot sauce. You can also prepare overnight oats for a super quick and delicious breakfast on busy mornings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.